This is Renee from Sunflowers and Honey Pies. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy head wrap tutorial that you can easily do at home. All you need to do is grab a head wrap and let's go. This is absolutely one of my favorites to do with my solid colored head wraps. Today I'm going to be working with the mauve. It's also a good one to use with the chiffons. It works very well with the softer fabrics, I believe. So you want to grab your fabric, fold it in half. This is actually probably about close to 30 inches wide when it's open. So I folded it in half. If you're working with a smaller piece of fabric, then just fold it so you can get the folded part on the edge of your forehead. So you're gonna take the wrap, like I said, put the folded part on the front of your forehead. You want to wrap your entire head. So you want the fabric to cover your head. You're gonna swing the ends around, and you want to get those even. And you could twist them if you want to make it fancy. Then you want to take the time to twist them down to give you a fancier look. You can. I'm just gonna swing them around for a time's sake, and you're just gonna tie it down to your head like so. And you want to just tie a bow, and you want to fan out the edges when you get it through. So you're gonna pull the ends of the bow out. Gotta feel for my edges. There we go. We're gonna fan that one out, and we're gonna fan that one out. And that's it. Let me get a closer look for you guys. Side view. Easy breezy. 1, 2, 3. Remember, practice makes perfect. So give it a try. Let me guys know what you think. Have a great day.